Hey, corn is in season. Right now in the Midwest, it is sweet corn time. And I know you love eating it right off the cob, and I know you love making casseroles, but I want to share with you my favorite. Coming and growing up in Texas, Rudy's Country Store and Barbecue was the place to get not only barbecue, but cream corn. And let me show you the recipe. I'm John, I am a realtor and a foodie. And here it is, Recipes with a Realtor. So when making cream corn, you can use the frozen, and Rudy's recipe actually calls for it. Very easy to do. Quick tip, make sure it's thawed out good. Drain off any extra water, any ice that it created in the bag. But if not, use fresh. Anytime you use it fresh, I like to use a tray, something to collect all the kernels as I cut it off. Nice, easy motion. Cut it all straight down. There you go. You go working it, working it, working it. Keeps it all on the tray and then makes it easier to clean up. Some people do use a bundt pan. I just find it, I tip it over and probably cut myself. So, there's step one. Now we're going to cut all the corn. You're going to get it all ready. Then you'll come over to your pan once the corn is ready, and we will start with recipe calls for heavy cream. We like to use oat milk. We're getting a little older, not as active, but we do like it rich. Richer would be with cream. Oat milk will do great. Then you put your 4 ounces of cream cheese, and you're going to get this started. We're going to get this heated, and then we'll add the corn here in a minute. As you see here, our corn is all cut off now. Easy to scoop up or to go straight to the pan from here. Now, I know we all like to put our own flavor, both on our houses and our corn. And so what I like to do, sometimes I'll take some corn and I'll roast it up. I'll put it on the grill for a while. Get some of that char, give that smoke flavor. Break it off, and then you're just going to cut this still the same, and you're going to add this in. Now this adds a smoky flavor. It's kind of like just making it my own. Now I know you all make your own homes, and you decorate it to what feels right for you. So when you're moving or selling, that picture that everybody comments on, that everybody loves, maybe you should take it down. We want to give people kind of like the cream corn. It's got a great base to start. And so you don't want to cover that up. You want to show people that, and you don't want them looking at your awesome trip to wherever, or your I Love Me wall from the military. Ex-Navy here, I had a small one. I know people that have great ones. So take some of that stuff down. Make the house show and shine instead of just your picture showing and shining. Now we got our cream. We got our cream and our cream cheese going. Nice, mixed. I'm going to add the corn, and we'll let this cook for 4 to 5 minutes. All right, now, so the corn has been cooking for about 6 minutes now. I started with the fresh corn first, and then added the grilled corn for my smoked flavor. It's going good. It's under a boil, because you don't want to scald your milks and your cream cheese. And now we're going to add in, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. The recipe calls for 2. I'm only adding 1 because my corn is really sweet this year. And then a little salt and pepper. And really with the grilled corn, adding the smoked flavor, that's all you need. Now you could add some jalapenos. You could add some garlic, some sauteed onions, maybe some paprika or chipotle peppers. Add what spice you need to make it your own. But the basics, just a simple cream corn with nothing but oat milk or regular cream, and then cream cheese. It tastes good on its own just like that. Just kind of makes it nice, make it your own. And if you like this recipe, give me a shout out, let me know, and I can get you a recipe card sent out to you. And if you have any questions on buying or selling a home, let me know. I'm here to help you out and make some good food. This is John Grissom with Berkshire Hathaway, and I am the Recipe Realtor. Talk to you soon.